Well, we've been contemplating this for a while. So what we have here is the world's hottest ramen. And I must thank a customer of ours that lives in Hong Kong for schlepping this all the way from there so that we can make fools of ourselves.
Thank you!
You all know Bubbles. If you didn't, you do now. And what we have here is the noodles, and there was your weapon, sir. The noodles, and there was a liquid flavor packet that I put all of in there. And this is the flake package. And I was told that the person who brought it to me could only use 1/3 of this packet.
But we say no, we're going to use the whole packet.
Yes, we say no, we use the whole packet. So, let's put this in. We will give it a stir, accompaniment for the stirring.
Yeah!
All right.
This is cooking with kazoo.
We may have uncontrollable slobbering.
That's why I have a
Oh, he's prepared.
bib.
Bubbles is always way
This
more
bib is so
prepared
great,
than
it
me.
even has a spot for percussion and kazoo, like that. Oh yeah.
All right. Are your weapons primed,
My
sir?
weapons are primed. This is battle.
I think we should do this simultaneously.
Yeah.
So let's get some noodles.
Let's use our noodle.
Mazel tov.
Oh no, I dropped my noodle.
All right. Here goes. I must say,
Ooh, you feel it.
good stuff.
Yeah, and Glenn right there, Glenn Bow, he's wearing a Tommy McDonald old school helmet. Autographed in, it says Hall of Fame 1988. I'm not sure when he got this, but it is a gem of a helmet.
I want to make sure I get a bunch of sauce on this.
I could bathe in this stuff.
Telling you, if this is the hottest ramen in the world,
They ain't tried our ramen.
I think it needs kicking up a little bit.
I think it does too.
Here we have fresh Carolina Reaper peppers.
Ooh.
So let's cut up a little bit of this. Ah, don't touch, don't touch. Oh, that'll be a mistake. Don't rub your eyes or worse.
Look at that. That is a
Seriously.
Carolina Reaper. We're adding it to
This
the
is
thing.
really good. I'm digging it. All right, so let's cut up a
Because we're nuts and we can.
little bit of Reaper. Mushy Reaper.
Mushy Reaper.
That'll be good. It'll mix in.
I met the
with
Reaper
soup.
once and the Reaper got all mushy.
You are a mushy kind of guy.
Yeah.
All right, let's put some Reaper in there.
Gotta stretch again for this. Stretch.
Mix it around. I think we need a little more than that.
Jumping jacks.
I want you guys to see it going in there.
Shake my belly.
It's going in there. All right, let's give it a stir.
Now these are hottest ramen ever.
Come and get it. Now you see why I keep him around. All right, so with the added Carolina.
Pretty much found the only one nuts enough to even dare try this with me. Thanks, Brad. Yeah, that'll leave a mark in the morning.
Nothing like fresh peppers. Oh, I have the nose drippage. I'll try not to let it go into the pot. I'm sure Bubbles wouldn't care anyway.
Oh, my nose will be dripping soon. Dripping and ripping. Whoa.
Well, I certainly call this a successful mission. Oh, excuse me. I think my lips are getting a little numb.
Oh, yeah.
So, as we finish this,
and then we have dessert.
We do have dessert.
Thanks to La and her skills. Oh, yeah.
Why don't we just move right into that?
Yeah. Take more of this, though. While he's cutting up the we're splitting that in half.
Cutting up? I ain't cutting it. We're biting it.
Biting it off. We're biting the head off.
So, now what we have here for dessert is Carolina Reaper brownie.
Oh.
Doesn't that look delicious?
The Reaper is you. The Reaper is me.
Reaper.
I think I heard that in an Ozzy song. Yeah.
Hang on. Getting a little disgusting here. Woo! Okay.
That's what my butt's gonna be dancing tomorrow.
TMI, brother.
Yes. Well, this is a show about information.
Well, that
However,
is true.
you can never have too much quality information.
We are informing.
Yeah, we're very informative.
Here you go.
Carolina Reaper brownie.
Alrighty.
$2 here at the store.
The medical bills.
110 South Main Street, New Hope, Pennsylvania. Susie's Hot Shop.
The medical bills might be higher than the $2 for a brownie.
You hear that? Your medical bill might be higher. But you know what?
Bubbles.
I'm higher!
You just have to let him go every once in a while. Bubbles, my friend, I think we have reached the status of interplanetary tolerance.
Oh, yeah.
So now we need to find the hottest stuff on other planets
I'm down.
to eat.
I'm a space pilot flying high shit.
I'll tell you, we definitely defeated this challenge. And I must say, you didn't see any Ready Whip anywhere on the table, did you?
Nope. Just eating this bubbly water. Because I'm Bubbles and I drink bubbly water.
So, hope you all enjoyed that little foray.
Yeah,
And
thank you for tuning in to my show.
I will see you there
We're going to
here
finish these noodles
very
off.
soon.
And
Thank you very much.
next time I am anywhere around food and spicy stuff,